My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Audi Q5. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. As we approach the boot, you can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving over to the touchscreen, we can see that we have car, sound, radio, media, telephone, navigation, map, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone interface, and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking camera with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side, as well as a keyless ignition. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.